We are Transformer Table, creators of the most multifunctional furniture ever. Launched right here on Kickstarter 7 years ago, we are the designers behind the most successful furniture Kickstarter of all times, raising over a total of $7 million. Shipping over 100,000 tables and benches to happy families and individuals across 80 plus countries. It got us off the ground to an incredible start.
Wow.
I love your product. I think it's great.
After finding success with our Transformer Table 3.0, we didn't stop there, creating and launching furniture solutions for your whole living space. Everything from living room solutions, office space furniture, storage solutions, and much more. Establishing ourselves as a maverick in the furniture industry. However, during our outgoing journey in developing incredible furniture solutions, we thought to ourselves, where do we go next? There was one piece of the puzzle missing. The outdoors. A space that is often forgotten in our homes, and a space where we can offer a better solution-driven product. So we went back to the drawing board, drew new sketches, studied new ideas, built prototypes, and finalized designs. We ended up designing the world's most configurable and innovative seating solution, period. After 5 years, we're back. Presenting the Transformer Patio Set. Configurability and innovation at its best.
The Cozy, seating 2 to 4 people. The Family, seating 4 to 8 people. The Gathering, seating 6 to 12 people. And finally, the Host, seating all the way up to 16 people.
To make these patio sets perfect and to make the most long-lasting pieces of furniture, everything starts with quality. Sourcing the best quality materials, providing you with the highest quality product that will last the test of time. But most of all, Mother Nature. Incorporating hand-woven all-weather wicker, offering a 4,000 UV hour protection. All covers are interchangeable and washable. Every single component of the Transformer Patio Set is constructed and assembled with the utmost precision and quality. But we didn't stop there. In designing the best outdoor seating ever that will last the test of time, we also needed to create an incredibly comfortable seating experience. To ensure the longevity of your patio set, each seat of the Transformer Patio Set is outfitted with mildew and fade-resistant filling and foam. Makes these cushions soft yet durable and will withstand sunlight, heat exposure, and numerous cleanings. The new Transformer Patio Set, the most advanced outdoor modular seating we've ever created.